Hello, humble bakers. Let's talk about Bakerlux Shop Pro or mas kilala sa tawag na Ariana LED. So, pag bumili kayo ng Ariana LED, included na yung 4 trays. Ang size niya is 13 inches by 18 inches, rectangular aluminum pan. It can fit square pan up to 12 by 12 inches. So, 4 trays ang kasya sa kanya since apat yung capacity niya. It can fit also 20 pieces cupcakes times 4 equals 80 pieces. So, isang salangan, kasya yung 80 pieces na cupcakes. 2 pieces of 8 inches round by 2 inches height times 4 equals 8 pieces. Or 9 inches round by 2 inches height times 4 equals 8 pieces also. Kasya rin sa kanya yung 4 pieces of 6 inches round by 2 inches height times 4 equals 16 pieces na cake. Isang salangan yan around 45 to 55 minutes. No need ng pagbalik-balik ta rin or i-rotate. It can also fit 12 pieces of bento cake, that's 4 inches round by 3 inches height times 2, 24 pieces na bento cakes. You need space for air circulation, kaya 2 trays lang yung pwede. Still yung door. Ito naman yung control panel niya. Ito yung rubber gasket. Double wall na stainless steel. Double wall din yung glass. No need ng air reductor. Yes, you don't need to buy air reductor for this oven. So yung sa energy naman is approximately nasa 3.2 kilowatts. So mas mataas siya kay Ariana, which is 3 kilowatts, and kay Ana manual na 3 kilowatts. Pero overall naman, if you're going to use the oven, mostly at 180 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, that's only 75% to 80% ng 3.2. So mga nasa less than 2.6 kilowatts lang siya. So ito yung details kung paano siya tinawag or nilalagyan ng logo na Energy Saver. As usual, if bibili kayo ng oven, kailangan nyo ng safety breaker with outlet. Ito yung recommended niya. And this is yung water hose inlet for humidity. So, plug in lang natin. Mapapansin nyo wala siyang beeping sounds like Ana or Ariana. Then, i-preheat natin at 170 degrees Celsius. Next step is, which is number 1, press natin yung clock logo. To set the baking time, press natin yung temperature logo to set the temperature. Humidity logo to set yung humidity. You can choose 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100%. I will choose 100%. Next is yung fan logo to set yung speed ng fan. You can choose 0, 1, and 2. I will set it as speed number 0. Then press yung start. I-check natin if how many minutes it will take for the oven to reach 170 degrees Celsius. So ito approximately, it only took 4 minutes and 20 seconds to reach 170 degrees Celsius. So ganun siya kabilis. Then magkakaroon ng beeping sound. Kailangan nating i-open yung oven at ilagay natin yung items na i-bake natin. Mapapansin nyo, pag inopen nyo yung oven at magsasalang kayo, nag-i-stop yung fan and nagto-turn off din yung light as well. So, ito yung wala kay Ana and Ariana. Then, pagkalagay natin ng i-bake natin, automatic na yan, magbe-bake as per the time na nilagay natin or sinet. One of the main difference ni LED is yung fan. So, Ariana LED or Bakerlux Shop Pro has 2 directions, clockwise and counterclockwise. Yung speed 0 naman, para siyang pulse. Iikot siya ng clockwise, and then stop. Ikot ng counterclockwise, then stop. And mahina lang yung speed ng fan. Speed number 1, mas malakas lang dun sa pulse ng konti. And yung speed number 2, this is high. This is the same speed ng Ariana manual and Ana. So, malakas talaga yung speed ni Ana and Ariana manual. So, ito yung options na meron ka if you're going to buy Baker Lux Shop Pro. This options is perfect if you're baking sponge cake, baked cheesecake, and moist cake, as well as macarons. You can choose between speed 0 or speed 1. While speed number 2 naman for tarts, pies, hard breads, soft breads, cookies, biscuits, choux pastry, and eclairs because you need more browning or drying. Well, I've been using Ariana manual for the last 8 months or 9 months. And since 1 lang yung speed niya, naglalagay ako ng air reductor and maganda naman yung outcome. And I love Ariana manual. Ito naman yung water droplets niya. So kung kay Ariana manual sa gilid, yung mist niya which turns into steam or humidity, kay Baker Lux Shop Pro naman is nasa loob ng fan or nasa mismong fan. For temperature, more accurate yung temperature ni Ariana LED since it's digital. So for some baked goods like macarons, pag kailangan mo ng approximately 139, 142, 143, much better yung Ariana LED since eksakto nga yung temperature niya and it's digital. For humidity, pwede kang mag-choose between 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. No need ka nang mag-press ng any button or mag-open and mag-spray ng water just like kay Ana and yung kay Ariana manual, which causes the temp to drop or fluctuate if mag-open ka ng door ng oven while preheating at 140 degrees Celsius is only less than 3 minutes. You can preset it specifically for any baked goods. Example for brownies, preset natin siya at 135 Celsius for 45 minutes at 0 humidity and speed number 1. Then long press natin yung number to record it or yung P1. By the way, pwede kayo mag-record up to 99 settings, which is very useful if you have employees and lots of products. Much more easier to bake without checking the recipe cards from time to time. And make sure to do some trial and error first for each and every items just to make sure na tama yung temp and yung time. This oven cost less than 100,000 pesos. I got mine at 95,000 pesos versus Ariana manual which costs around 55,000 pesos versus Ana which cost around 44,000 pesos. If you want to know more about Ariana manual and Ana, please do check my previous post. Yun lang, salamat!